Hi, my name is Teresa, and today we're going to play a guessing game about the 4 seasons. I love going outside and exploring nature, and when I'm outside, I almost always take at least one photo. The great thing about taking a picture with my phone is that it remembers the date. So I have compiled some pictures that I have taken, and it's going to be your job to guess what season they were taken in: winter, spring, summer, or fall. Sounds easy, right? Don't be too sure. In this first photo, the girl is not wearing a coat. She's in fact wearing short sleeves, and if you look closely, you'll see that she's not even wearing any shoes. This picture was taken on December 29th, 2019. This picture was taken on December 31st, 2019. So both pictures were taken in winter, in fact only a couple days apart, but the scenery is very different. See, it's not that easy, is it? Here are the dates each season will begin in 2021 to help you with your guesses. For example, winter doesn't actually begin until late December, so there's a chance that a picture could have snow in it and not be winter. Now here's a picture of some apples. Of course, you can eat apples any day of the year, but there's a popular time to go picking apples. What season is it? This picture was taken on a special holiday where there's lots of fireworks. What season is it? You can have lots of fun during this season doing activities like sledding, snowboarding, and skiing. It's a little bit tricky to tell the season in this picture. Everything is brown and there's no leaves on the trees. But if you look closely, the girl in the picture is not wearing a coat, so it's not very cold. What season is it? In this picture, the trees are also brown and bare, but if you look closely, you can see that the geese are not swimming in the water. They're on top of frozen water. What season do you think this is? Here you see a picture of a girl standing in a field of sunflowers. Sunflowers take a long time to grow because they are so tall. Flowers are present in most of the seasons, so you'll have to use other clues in this picture to figure out what season this is. In this picture, the dog is playing with a Halloween pumpkin someone had carved. What season is it? Look at the trees, the grass, and the person in the background to help you figure out what season this is. This picture is extra tricky. It was not taken in Indiana, it was taken in California on top of a mountain. These two dogs are hot from playing, so they decided to cool off in these baby pools. What season is it? This girl is trying to find her way out of a corn maze. What season is it? This one's tricky because rainbows can happen in different seasons. Here the grass is green, the leaves are green. What season do you think it is? Take your best guess. Beautiful sunsets are not limited to a particular season. This picture was taken on a beach in Michigan. If you live in the Midwest, you probably visit the beach most often during this season. Leaves on the trees, leaves on the ground. What season is it? If you look closely, you'll see a hummingbird's coming to visit these flowers to get some nectar. What season is it? It's cherry picking time. Think about what season it is as you watch this machine take the pits out of these cherries. In this picture, there are leaves on the trees, but they are small and just starting to grow. Can you guess what season it is? So, did you get them all right? Thanks for playing!